What we're going to look at is a unique opportunity for one of our 100-ton chillers. It is a food manufacturing facility, and they have got a chiller that has gone offline. They need a replacement. First off, we got to get it loaded and taken out to site. The reality of complex projects like this is that we want to do them in one day, but sometimes we get pushed into day two. Little things that we had to overcome, we've conquered those, and now we're ready to get this unit operational. This is the contact point between our system and the building system. The 4-inch chiller hose with the blue stripe shows us the plant water that's returning to our chiller. This black hose with the red stripe, this is the water that we've taken the heat out of it. It's going back into the loop of the building. One of the added features that we have on all of our chillers are these cam lock connections. These are pretty universal industrial fittings. They make a tie-in to a building very quick, very reliable, and very simple. The brains of this chiller is all controlled through this programmable York control. We take the set points that our customer is looking for, what their return water temperature is, what their leaving water temperature needs to be, their flow rates. We enter them into our system, then the unit monitors them, comes on and off accordingly so that we are providing the temperature of water that our customer is after. Another feature to highlight is the cam lock connectors that we have incorporated on all of our chillers. So these are 4 individual wires that you simply plug in to our chiller. The electrical contractor energizes the system, and we've got electrical power run to our units, and we're ready to go. When we want this chiller to spring to life, we simply hit this green button. The red allows us to stop it. One of the last things we add to any project is this perimeter security fencing. It makes sure that the site stays safe. Anybody that shouldn't be allowed in there doesn't get access. The gate allows our technicians access and keep the bad guys out. That hum behind me is a great sound. It means that our chiller is operational. It also means that the handoff between the plant facility people and our technical people is complete. We're able to deliver all of the protocols that they were looking for and should be able to run it through the course of this project. If at any time they've got any questions or any problems that they perceive, we're only a phone call away.